Alright now, this is what it look like now. So, to speed things up, what I did was, I took my pasta out of the pot that I was using right here. And because I know the load is almost finished being, let's speak in real terms here, the trailer is almost loaded. So, which means that the vehicle will be moving. And I don't want everything all over the place, so speed things up. I throw my pasta, because I pre-softened it, put it in here, let it finish marinating. I'm going to put the top on. This is what it look like for now. Partner got in the truck and said, it smells good in here. And I know it does, because it's going to taste good. But that's what's cooking on the truck. Okay, guys, this is Trucker Butterfly Diva number 58, because there are 58 reasons why I'm the Butterfly Diva, baby. Anyway, I'm going to get back to y'all. I'm going to turn it down, let it marinate. That's right. I'm going to show y'all how. Y'all keep up with me. I'll show y'all how to cook on the truck. It's healthy. I get tired of eating at Love's, Pilot's, and all them different kind of places. You know, I love Love's, I love Pilot's. But every now and then, I want something good on the truck. So, you know, my friendly neighborhood grocery store, I get my goodies, put it on the truck, and I'll show y'all how to do it. But that's enough for now. Look here. Look at it again. Baby, look at it. I know you want some of that. That's what's cooking on the truck. All right, now.